Okay, everyone, continuing on in Module 26204-23, Conduit Bending in the NCCER 11th edition. This is Section 3.00, Mechanical Benders. Mechanical bending equipment has many advantages. Bending shoes and follow bars should be treated as precision instruments. A ratchet feature is normally engaged for larger sizes of conduit. To prevent the shoe from creeping forward, a coupling can be screwed onto the pipe. For long shoe life, keep the pipe clean and the shoes wiped down. A bending gauge with an adjustable pointer is helpful when making multiple bends at the same angle. To make matching bends in two sizes of conduit, use the largest shoe size for both bends. Charting a mechanical bender. Bends typically come with charts or decals that indicate the gain and centerline distances for various bends. If necessary, a bender can be charted using a piece of scrap conduit. The star mark seen on many benders is used for back-to-back bends. Making mechanical bends. Stub-ups and offsets are quickly and easily made using mechanical benders. To make a stub-up, you must know the bend take-up for the conduit type and size. A decal containing the information is provided with many benders. When marking, always outline the entire conduit to avoid losing the mark when the conduit is placed in the bender. And many electricians like to use black felt tip marker for marking conduit. The decal chart on conduit bender also contains data for making offsets. The distances between marks for offset bends will vary depending on the size and type of conduit being bent. Here are some trade terms you should read over and become familiar with for this module, and some review questions for this section. If you're using a bender and the label has worn off, you should throw it away as it no longer can be used, chart the bender, use the gain and centerline distances from a similar bender, estimate the values based on prior experience. That's going to be chart the bender. It says you are making a 12-inch stub-up in 1-inch EMT, and the bender deduct is 8. Where do you put your first mark? If I deduct 8, and I want it to be 12, that'd be at 4 inches from the conduit end. Alright guys, that's it for that section. Next will be 4.00 electric and hydraulic benders, and I will see you over there.